Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out Prince, Swanny, Real Mad Dawg. You see me? Now Trinidad dancehall artist. Actually I did about 3 songs for this dude or 2 songs. This dude is very talented. So we're gonna check out this song and
when another man, I know I've been in a position, it's out of our control. It's not like he wants to kill. He just doesn't
really want speedy. Is it like past? Yo, next thing too. Nobody haven't answered me from Trinidad. What's going on with all the long ass gold chains, bro? Is that a thing in Trinidad or what? Some long gold chains. I realize that I've seen it in on couple artists.
Right now, man, I be third father. Big up the real bad dogs, we hustle 24/7 out there by the corner. Me can remember the days when we had the llama. Walk down in the city just to look a barber. See the pussy just a free them I informer. If you don't like we move the fuck round, yeah.
Yo, my dog have the tall 6 pants. Or the key. Oh, the key.
Rifle and knocking at your head, don't fuck wrong. 7.62 full up in a pandro. Nappy borrow man steal full of shop down.
Yo, this is sick, bro.
The little pussy them a bad myself. From me and me not like them. Pussy them a talk but me not go fight them. God I fi strike him. Never know. The little boy them a bad myself. From me and me not like them. Pussy them a talk.
And them love them gold, bro. And them love them gold, dog.
Real mad dog. Real mad dog. Real mad dog.
Oh, it's a collab.
Hey, let me tell you about real mad dog. So real top shot like bamboo. Bust up on boy head like canned food. Daga me bust the shots as shampoo. Try burn my skin that a some way I can't do. 7.6 wrap it out of the pantu. Pan the sea take when the kick come through.
Yo.
Y'all them a run through.
Yeah, them love the A7s, bro, isn't it? Yeah, them love the gangsters, you know?
Chasing the bird dog, you know me not stop. Try to for food, everything I load up. Car man, I provide for the ones you have. We know some pussy, you have to know that. Just stick to your...
Funny enough, you know, you have enough of them niggas that sing about the guns and sing about slap out man head. But enough of them are really gangsters still, you see me? And it's supposed to go that way there, bro, because we don't want most of that them mix up in the gangsters, because we don't want nobody I slap out the head back and I take them out just like that, but probably some of them are gangsters, who to tell? I don't know, bro, but I don't know, bro.
One press, you turn a falling soldier, let me tell you about real mad.
Them about the chain them in the oh shit, Batch Yoga finished, Batch Yoga done, guys. Alright guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Next bad tune from Prince Swanny, you see me? Trinidad and link up dancehall thing slap up, you see me? You don't know the thing say Jamaica linkage. So this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.